हाँ.
Good morning to all my teachers, parents and dear friends. I am Durga. I am fourth standard student. Today we all gather here to celebrate our independence.